A parts list is generated from a bill of materials and shows all of the specified parts. First, let's choose the drawing that we want to create a parts list on, and then we'll locate the parts list at the top right-hand corner of the screen. By double-clicking on the table, you are presented with a window. The second column specifies which items are called out by balloons. Notice that item number 10 is not called out by a balloon. This column specifies whether the item is a part or a sub-assembly. In this case, they are all parts. In the item column, you can manually update the number of the part. We'll go ahead and change item number 1 to item number 9 and vice versa. And by right-clicking and selecting Save Items overrides to Bill of Materials, you can update the bill of materials as well. If you would like to customize the categories of this list, go to Column Chooser. Then we can go in and show the mass of the parts and perhaps disclude the description. Group Settings allows you to group several parts list rows into one row according to the selected sorting key. Filter Settings allow you to show particular features in your table. For example, we're just going to show the part that is ballooned in this table, which gets rid of item number 10. Sort Parts List allows us to order the table in respect to the item, quantity, part number, or mass. In this case, our item numbers are out of order, so we'll choose that and hit OK. You can also export this table to have it be opened up as a text file or Excel file. With table layout, you can modify the formatting of the table itself, including changing the title, text styles, and more. Lastly, if you would like to edit particular features about the column, try right-clicking on the header and select Format Column. There, you can, for instance, show the sum of the mass of the items combined rather than just the mass of each particular one. There's so much more to the parts list. Hope this general overview helps you to get started, and thanks for watching.